Hey everyone, today we are building a complete API testing solution for a student academic record. We will set up a mock API using JSON server using command npm-g npm install-g JSON server. Now packages are installing. Now we will use copycon command for creating JSON file. The file name is academic record. Now I will copy the file content from existing one, as I have already written the JSON file content. I will copy this file by using Ctrl-Z and then clicking enter. Now I will run npx JSON server command for executing the academic record of the student. Here our localhost API is created with a single endpoint. Before writing test, we will create a Maven project. In Maven, in pom.xml file, we will add dependencies of testng and RestAssured. Here Maven project is created, and now we are adding the dependencies from Maven central repositories. Properties are not required, so we removed it. We need to add the Maven dependency under dependencies tag. Otherwise, it will provide error. Now we need to save it. And under source and under test, we will create a package called utils for base test class. To avoid any repetitive configuration, we create a base test class. Base class give us two benefits, like single source for our API base URL and auto logging for failed tests. Here we provide our base URI link in the base class. We need to refresh the Maven dependencies to get rid of error. We add at the rate before test, before class, so that it runs once before the entire tests. We need to import RestAssured and TestNG annotations. So here, to get rid of errors, we need to refresh the pom.xml. And now we need to create another package for testing all students endpoint API. The package name, we named it as record, and under this package we need to create a Java class. Let's name it as all students record. All students test. Here we extended base class. We add at the rate test annotation for testing all the test cases. Now we name our method as get all students to clearly indicate its test the get endpoint. Here we use a RestAssured Fluent API to send a GET request to the student's endpoint. Here a dot when marks the transition to the action, and given starts the request specification. After sending the request, then let us define assertions. We verify the status code is 200, which is okay, which states the validation is okay, and our API endpoint is working correctly. Now we extract the full response object, so we can perform additional validations or print the results. This include status code, body, and headers. We are using assert.assert equals to verify the actual status code. matches the expected value as 200. If it doesn't, the test fails and the response code status code would change to 4 not 4 or red test animation. We need to import the assert to get rid of the error. Now, by using system.out.println, we are printing the status code to the console. This quickly identify the request uh, if it if the request succeed or failed. Now we will print the all students JSON file. And we use as pretty string. To format the JSON with proper indentations, as pretty string makes it human readable when we check the console output. And that concludes our test. Here, when we run